Hello, I'm Srilatha, Chief Dietitian, Medicover Hospitals. Today we'll be talking about the herb peppermint and how it is used in different recipes and what are the health benefits of especially peppermint tea. So basically peppermint is nothing but a hybrid herb which is produced by combining spearmint and watermint herbs. So it is not our native herb. It is usually present in Africa, America, and Middle East. But over a period of time, it has spread around the world. We have got a lot of health benefits. Usually this particular peppermint has got a lot of health benefits, and it's a great medicinal herb in Ayurveda also. Most of our capsules, oils, your toothpaste, your massage oils, and lot of Ayurvedic medications use peppermint oil. Basically, for the chest rubs like your Vicks, Vapor Rub, all has this peppermint. And also your Dabur Pudina has this peppermint. Apart from that, the neonates, newly born people, patients who suffer from abdominal colicky, abdominal gas formation and pain, their syrups also contain this peppermint. Now, what is the role of this peppermint tea? Usually, most often we find people taking this. So it has a lot of health benefits. It reduces the gas or flatulence problem. It acts like a calogogue. That means whatever the bile which is accumulated in the gallbladder will be removed out. So that is called a calogogue. So that also helps in removing the bile out. It acts like a mucolytic agent. This is a rainy season. Most often people get chest infections, lot of phlegm in the lungs. So when you take this peppermint tea, it will be dissolving the phlegm or the mucus, and that comes out either when you cough it out or it comes out in the stool or in the motion. So that is how this peppermint tea helps us. And more so, people who have some disturbances with sinusitis, who have running nose or cold or cough, peppermint tea helps them in relieving the symptoms of upper respiratory tract infections. And also people who suffer from irritable bowel disease. That means they have an episode of diarrhea followed by an episode of constipation. So these symptoms also will be relieved by taking peppermint tea. There are studies which have proven all over the world that peppermint tea has got a lot of health benefits. So basically it will improve your digestion. It will be reducing the respiratory symptoms. It will be reducing your flatulence and gas problem. And also if you have any issues with the body pains and all, or headache or migraine, you can have a cup of peppermint tea that also relieves the pain. Usually, if you take this peppermint oil and apply on the body, your muscle relaxant also is there in this. But when tea is taken for headaches, cold, upper respiratory tract infections, your abdominal issues, this play a major role. People who suffer from kidney issues or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is better to avoid that. They may have aggressive symptoms. So try not to use for GERD and kidney ailments. Apart from these two categories of patients, everybody can take peppermint as a very good herbal tea in resolving multiple health issues. Instead of going with the painkillers, NSAIDs, and other paracetamols, happily we can consume the pepper tea for multiple health ailments, which is going to act as an excellent herb in treating these health issues. Thank you.